Welcome, sir. I
didn't expect, well, you.
thank you.
I'm here to start a new life, I guess.
Is this how people fit in here?
Are you all right?
A little tight, but I'm fine.
I thought swimming was about floating, right?
Yeah, but you're supposed to stay in the water.
I thought water wasn't important, just wanted to see what's going on.
Is this?
Not what people eat?
Sir, that's toilet paper, and those are chips, not tea.
Oh, my bad. Guess I'm still learning. How hard can cooking be?
Maybe just follow the recipe next time.
I think the recipe's broken, not me. Shrek! That's the toilet. The shower's on the other side.
Well, it's all water, right?
This is delicious. Is this spaghetti?
That's soup, not spaghetti.
Well, it tastes like spaghetti to me.
This place is huge. How do people find their way around?
You're in the wrong apartment, buddy. Oops, my bad. Guess I thought it was my place. Next time, I'm staying in my swamp.
Wait, he's really leaving?
Did he just say swamp?
Peace and quiet. Just what I needed. Shrek! 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 There's something new in the castle. No, not again.
Shrek! Shrek! Did you hear?
Shrek!
Did you hear? They found something new in the castle. It smells like a wet cat sock.
No, not again. Your last discovery gave me mushroom rash for a week.
This place gives me the creeps. I feel like someone's watching us.
That's just the ghost of bad cooking.
Was that a rat or a tiny dragon?
Either way, it's probably hungry
Why do I feel like I'm the snack?
because you never stop talking.
This bridge is held up by hope and poor decisions.
Just don't look down!
Too late. T-O-O late. I saw my... Shrek? Are you sure this is the way? I hear something creepy. Quiet, donkey. Just follow me and... Shrek, I swear that shadow was breathing.
It wasn't breathing, donkey. It was hunting. Maybe us.
Then let's not be the snack.
Shrek! That was not a squirrel, Shrek. Stay low. If it moves again, we run.
Shrek, that shadow's back, and I think it just looked at me.
Don't blink. Don't breathe. It's testing us. It's not behind us.
It's above us?
Click it. Shrek says if you don't, you'll have dinner with the dragon.